pour your water and your macaroni straight into an air fryer. Yes, that's right. I am making air fried macaroni and cheese. Get all that water in there. This is the easiest way to make mac and cheese if you have nowhere to make it except your air fryer. Watch that. Look in there. You're going to take your noodles and your water, turn it on to the air fry setting. 400 degrees is awesome. And start. You want to air fry that till the water boils and cooks the pasta. Now, meanwhile, it's time to make the cheesy filling. Now, over here, as you know, inside of the packet comes this packet of cheese. Oh, look at that incredible yellow color. So I'm going to show you how to spice it up. In here, I've melted some butter. Now, into that butter, we're going to take our 2 packets from our 2 different mac and cheeses straight into there. And now grab your whisk and whisk those up. Oh boy, look at that incredible yellow color. That's the iconic color. Now, into there, we're also going to add some milk. In this case, I'm doing buttermilk. I think that's going to be nice and thick. Oh yeah, look at that. Give that a stir. Now get it nice and close. You're going to stir, stir, stir. This is going to create the most incredible filling. Then I'm going to take a little bit of just regular cheese, some Colby Jack goes right in, stirring, stirring, stirring. A little bit of freshly cracked pepper right into there. Now this is what's going to be added back to that pasta when it's done cooking. Which, speaking of that, listen over here. You can hear it hum. Keep on cooking. All right, I'm now going to take this out, and oh boy, get it nice and close. Look at that. Our pasta has gotten nice and cooked. So I'm just going to go over here straight into the sink and just drain all that water. We don't need that water. We just want our delicious pasta. I mean, come on, look at that. Actually, maybe it looks even slightly overdone, but that should still be good. So I'm just going to take that noodles, put it right back in here, and now back to add the cheese. Cheese goes in. Oh yeah, look at that. Now it looks like a paste right now, but watch this. As you mix it in and the heat of the pasta starts to melt that cheese, look at that mixture. It should be nice and creamy and cheesy. Mix it up. I'm going to stop talking. Just listen to this. Oh boy, I mean, if that is not one of the cheesiest mac and cheeses you've ever seen, then I don't know what is. You can just eat straight out of the air fryer, but this did make quite a lot, so I'm actually going to serve it just right into a bowl. And I mean, just getting nice and close. Do you see the level of cheesiness? Oh boy, okay, come on. Made entirely in an air fryer. What can't you do in an air fryer? That's the real question. Oh my God, that is cheesy. That is heavenly. We have intense cheese flavor. The butter gives it nice and buttery. I'm sorry to say, but if you don't have a stovetop, I do have a stovetop to be clear, but if you do not, there's no reason you can't do this in an air fryer. Comment down below what else you want to see me attempt to make in an air fryer. I am convinced it is one of the most versatile cooking pieces of equipment ever made. I know I get hate for all the things I try, but you know, I'm here to test it out. I'm gonna let you know, does it work, does it not work? I'm answering all those questions here for you so that you don't make the mistakes. I'm happy to make them for you.